Did you know we have a native tree frog to North America and in Oklahoma? This is the Cope's gray tree frog. It resides in boggy and marshy areas near creeks and other streams, areas that continue to have prolonged moisture throughout the summer months, but they actually have the ability to almost completely dry up and to lay dormant and to kind of isolate themselves from the heat and the drought in order to survive the harsh conditions of Oklahoma. Because if you're from Oklahoma and other areas surrounding, you know that it gets very dry at different parts of the year. I found this guy dormant on one of my houseplants, and I splashed some non-chlorinated water on him to really help him out. My hands are also very clean. I made sure that I had no chemicals or anything on my hand before I held him and washed my hands off with plenty of water to make sure that nothing would be irritating him, because frogs and toads and other amphibians have very permeable skin, allowing them to soak up water regularly through their skin, immediately soak up any chemicals that are in it as well. So they are a good indicator species that there are not too many toxins in your waterways. If I had put something like lotion or hand sanitizer on my hands, or even washed it with anything that could contain any chemicals, they would almost immediately soak into this guy's skin and could easily kill them. I'm going to go ahead and put this guy back inside of this plant, and I just wet all this area down right here so we had plenty of area to hang out. This is where I found him. He actually was on that plant right there, and it was very hot and dry, and I felt bad for him, so I made sure to give him a little bit of water. But there is a really cool and interesting tree frog species with extremely slimy skin and permeable skin, so make sure your hands are very clean if you ever intend on handling. It's not recommended because it can unalive them. This is just another one of the very unique and cool species native to North America that are very overlooked whenever people are looking at native animals and plants to North America. This guy also was almost entirely yellow before I gave him water, and his skin now looks much better after he's been moistened up a little bit. These are the kind of videos I like putting out to promote the native plants and animals to Oklahoma and regions around it, to help educate everybody on the amazing creatures that we have here in North America, as many of them need protection and are facing threats due to habitat loss and climate change. Make sure to hit follow if you want to see more content like this, as I try to post regularly and show some of the really cool features that we have here in Oklahoma. And with that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.